Good morning, everyone. This is Henry from ASM Tutoring once again. Today's lesson will continue yesterday's discussion of integration by parts. What if, after you integrate by parts, the new integral that you have to calculate needs to be integrated by parts again, and maybe again and again? So should be integral of v du here. So the integral of u dv equals uv minus integral of v du. We want to select a value of u that gets simpler each time you differentiate it, and we want to select a dv that is easy to integrate multiple times. So we can make a chart, the first column alternating plus, minus, and so on down the column. The next column is u, the first derivative of u, the second derivative of u, and so on. In the right column, we have the integral of dv is v1. The integral of dv1 is v2. The integral of dv2 is v3. And you continue this table until you get a derivative of u that equals 0, at which point you know you're done. So let's suppose we want to integrate the function x cubed sine x dx using this iterative technique for integration by parts. So we can make a table similar to the one on the lower left. So we have alternating, well, let's make some rows here. Alternating plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. For u, we can select x cubed because it gets simpler each time you differentiate it. And the remainder will be dv, which is sine x dx. The integral of sine x dx is negative cosine of x. The first derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. The integral of negative cosine x is negative sine x. The derivative of 3x squared is 6x. The integral of negative sine x is cosine of x. I'm sorry, the integral of negative sine x is cosine of x. The derivative of 6x is 6. The integral of cosine x is sine x. And the derivative of 6 is 0. So that ends our table. Now we just multiply the rows to get our products and then sum the products. So we have a negative x cubed cosine x minus times a minus is a plus. So we have plus 3x squared sine of x plus 6x cosine of x minus 6 sine x sine x. There we go. This is 6 plus c. And that is the complete integration of the function x cubed sine x dx. Negative x cubed cosine x plus 3x squared sine x plus 6x cosine x minus 6 sine x plus c, where c is the constant of integration. So this has been an explanation of how to do integration by parts repeatedly using a simple chart, and we demonstrated with a simple example x cubed sine x dx, taking the integral of that. If you'd like to learn more, I'm available for hire as a private tutor. You can see my contact information in red at the top center of the whiteboard. The first 1-hour lesson is free for all new students, try before you buy. You take no financial risk. The burden of proof is entirely on me to demonstrate outstanding value in helping you succeed in math. And as a thank you for watching all the way to the end of today's lesson, if you mention the code FREE BOOK when you contact me, at our first lesson, I will give you a free copy of my book, Smart Suggestions for Student Success. I wrote that book in an effort to help students, especially high school and college students, succeed in school, in work, and in life. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.